ดีพี่น้องมาเด้อกินข้าวกับไส้กรอกสุกพัก
It's too hot. I have to wait and burn my mouth.
แคทลิทูบิ
Oh, it's so good.
สุกพักไส้กรอกน้ำยำเลย
So good. I love it. Burning me. Oh, I'm so happy I asked you that you can make. Okay, I take home.
ไส้กรอก
When's the last time you make this? How long?
last time
Have you make before?
I make with her we make together she help me I buy anything
So good. But you know, when you come in USA, you can make this. This pig.
ค่ะ
Oh, now you're my taxi and my cook. Careful, don't leave for Panda. Sure, he'll be very happy if you drop one. So yummy though.
yummy
Yeah.
you full now do you now
No, I'm not full.
you want more
Yes. Can I eat more?
ค่ะต่างประเทศกินสุกพักพี่น้อง
Excellent one. Very hot still.